My poetry. My poetry. My poetry lines are written Malcolm all over them. They are marked X. They are revolutionary. My voice is as powerful as the pyramids of Giza. Smakade Caesar. My people are dying of mental slavery. Tongalami, let me save them before they die of these brain seizures. Isilo Shaka Zulu on my back. I got bullhorn strategy to win this war. Umvelinqangi ithonga idlozi. Mntakamkhulu, I'm gifted, I'm triple threat. Angels of course hear my whip. As these tears fall down, Kemetic soil, free my whip. Let my voice run through the deep waters of Zambezi, the Nile, Mtugela. My people run free. Yes. Maybe I'm sick. Maybe I'm sick. Maybe these sacred thoughts of mine are just useless as this system. These parasites never loved us anyway. They took our land and blood and somehow they still can't get enough. I say it's enough. Tsembi phezulu. Black man, are you scared? I asked you a question. I said these people, they took our land and blood and somehow they still can't get enough. I say it's enough. Tsembi phezulu. Black man, are you scared? Uzikhali zamangwe kadla yedwa kamajubadla ukhethe le.